Hi, my name is Pat Keene from Keene Engineering. This is kind of a new twist on an old product. This is called an HVSKE. It's a portable, outdoor, gasoline-powered shop vac. This unit's great because it's got two shop vac ports on there. It's got one that's plugged up in case you wanted to use it as a vacuum, or you can use it as the blower portion, using the blower to power up one of our 160 dry washers or our 140S. This is a great unit because we're using a screw-on gamma lid that's got a aluminum reinforced top. All the rivet holes are all siliconed in. It's got double O-rings on it, up on the top and underneath this adapter for the gamma lid. And when this thing screws down, it's airtight. And this is made so it fits our new PB 2620 Echo blower. This is a commercial grade, and it just fits on top of here. And you tighten it up with the screwdriver, and it's solid. And what's good is you can break it apart, makes it easier to carry. And this is a great shop vac. Once you hook up the hose and the nozzle that it comes with, and the double ports, and also the snappy grip, this is a mean sucking machine. And you can use this for sucking the dirt, sucking the gravels from the bottom of your dry washer holes, the cracks and crevices. Or you could drag this thing up north, work along the banks, suck up moss, cracks and crevices, clean it all out, and then just dump this into your sluice box, or you can dump this thing into your dry washer. This is a great product. Now this is like I said, it's a commercial version. They also have the PB 2520, which is the homeowner series, which doesn't have the double O-rings. The difference is like 200 hours to like 900 hours. It's a big difference when you buy the 2620 X series, they call it. But this is a great new product. I think this is going to open up a lot more avenues, and you can buy the bucket itself, and then you can go to like a Home Depot and buy this engine yourself or buy it online. This whole package here sells for about $249.95. It comes complete. We even give you a vial. We even give you a gold bottle snifter, and also this, and we give a 10-inch pan away with it, and also some interesting reading about my father and some of his travels and about some of the different equipment. But this is a great tool. And this also, I can't stress this enough, this is called the Magic Fingers. This is a wonderful tool because you can make it narrow, and I can scratch out the material, or you can open it up as a rake and you could fling rocks off to the side. I can dig with this almost as good as a shovel if I'm on the bank of river. And check it out. We'll have some videos for you soon.